G'day and welcome to Straight Edge Start number 1 with JennyBrandisLace. This video is to go with the Mirima bonus patterns from pattern of month number 3. Let's get into it. We use 6 pairs of passives, 4 pairs of weaver workers. I'm turning off the working line so that you can see more clearly where the pairs go. Hang your 6 pairs of passives in the open or rainbow configuration over the passive pins and anchor down the right bobbins. Hang your weaver pairs in the open or rainbow configuration on the outside pin shown. Work a cloth stitch with the 2 pairs on the right and twist all 4 pairs twice. Take the 2 right pairs and pin or anchor them to the side. The bottom right pair will later become weavers to this pin. Use the bottom left pair, cloth stitch through the 3 pairs of passives. Add 2 twists to the weavers and put up the pin. We are adding 2 new pairs at this pin using the same technique as demonstrated in starting from a point 4.2. Place the 2 new pairs in an open configuration under the weaver pair. Add 2 twists to the new pairs and lift the left pair over and to the right of the weavers. Starting from a point 4.2 shows a 1 pair being added, but the technique is the same for 2. Add 2 more twists to the weavers before cloth stitching through the 3 pairs of passives. Hole stitch and twist the 2 weaver pairs and put up the pin between the passives and the weaver pairs. Change the main weaver pair to the bottom pair and cloth stitch through the passives before adding 2 twists. Add 2 new pairs at this pin. Continue adding 2 pairs at each of the new pin markers as you work to the left. Working to the right and the corner is a little bit more complex. Add a single pair at the corner pin. Work the next bit by using the inner pin a second time, wrapping the thread around the inner pin without removing it. And again using the inner pin without removing it. And a 4th time. Continue down the side as normal. This shows how the corner pin is worked.